Hello friends, WattMan here. Today, we're not just talking power, we're creating it. Think you need a massive computer to make a 3D animated superhero? Wrong! All you need is this. I'm gonna show you how to build a cinematic solar superhero from story to full animation using only your mobile phone.
Ready to unleash the power? Let's dive in. First things first. Every hero needs an origin story.
We can't just draw something. We need a soul. For this, we are using ChatGPT.
Let's open ChatGPT and get started. I need a hero who represents clean power. So I'm typing the prompt. I need a superhero character related to solar energy, a guardian angel of nature who fights against climate change. Let's see what the AI gives us. Boom! Look at that. It gave us a name instantly, Solaris, the guardian of the living Earth. His power source is renewable energy, and his weakness? Pollution. This is exactly what we needed. A hero with a purpose. Now, a text description isn't enough. We need to see him. I'm telling ChatGPT, Solaris is a good name. Please generate a 3D character with these features. Wow, look at that golden armor. He's holding the earth in his hand. That is high quality 3D art right there. But Solaris needs a home, and where else but God's own country? Let's modify the prompt. I need Solaris flying above a beautiful landscape in Kerala. Watch this transformation. Unbelievable. Look at the paddy fields, the coconut trees, and those golden wings. He is truly our guardian now. See how easy that was? In minutes, we went from an idea to a stunning 3D visual. Now, download this in high resolution. Next step, we animate him.
If you want to see Solaris take flight, make sure you subscribe to WattMan. Stay tuned.
Now, switch gears. We are going to Google's AI Test Kitchen. We are using a tool called Flow AI. Select Frames to Video. This is the secret weapon. It doesn't just animate, it connects the dots. Watch this move. Frame 1, I upload the flying image. This is where our scene starts. Frame 2, I upload that heroic close-up we made earlier. This is where we end. I'm cropping them both to portrait mode because we want this viral on Reels and Shorts. Now let's give him a voice. I'm typing the dialogue. Hi friends, I am Solaris, the guardian of living Earth. We are literally writing the script for the AI to perform. Settings check. VO 3.1 fast. Aspect ratio 9:16. Hit generate snap fingers. Usually this takes time, but we don't wait for greatness. Boom! Look at that. He flies in from the Kerala backwaters and morphs right into his introduction. But wait, we can do better. Good, but I want cinema quality. See that upscale button? Click it. Select 1080p. We are adding millions of pixels to make that golden armor shine. Let the AI polish our diamond. And there he is, crystal clear. 1080p resolution, fully animated. From a simple text idea to a living, breathing superhero on your screen.
Hi friends, I am Solaris, the guardian of living Earth.
If Solaris can save the Earth, you can definitely smash that subscribe button. This is WattMan, signing off. Go create something legendary.